Hi everyone, happy hump day or happy Wednesday. Today is National Apple Pie Day. I love apple pie. Today you are going to check in with me and check out our student in the spotlight today. And then you're going to work on another page of our end of the school year. I guess you call it somewhat of a scrapbook. You're going to work on that today. Then you have a video to watch for reading, and then you're going to tell me in sequence, which means in the correct order, of how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. After that, you're going to look at a video about opinion writing, and you're going to do a Padlet choosing one thing or the other, and then you're going to give me 2 reasons why you chose what you did. After that, for math today, you are going to be looking at money again, and then you're going to be counting some dollar bills. And then your Wednesday is finito. Finished. Alrighty. All right, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.